In this video, I want to show you how to activate a new account that you just registered. Let's assume that you've done your registration of 6,000 naira. You now want to activate in any of the available packages. I want to teach you how to activate. I assume that you have logged in. So what should you do? You should click on this three dotted line. Click on it. When you do that, scroll up, then make sure that you locate finance, then click on finance, then scroll up, then locate activate a package, then click on the activate a package. You wait till it gets to the next page. Here now it has gotten to the next page. What should you do here? Type out the account, the username you want to activate. Let me use this. What I did there was I type out the username, then I click on verify. It will bring out the name of the account that I want to register. So you click on next. Click on next. As you can see now, let's now assume that because from that option I want to activate the partner package. So what I will just have to do from here is I will select the product that's worth 21,000, and those are D3. Now I'll click on select here, then you scroll down, you select one of D3 organic, then you click on add to cart. Click on it. After that one is done, then you click on Nourisher again. Then you come down, you click on add to cart. This is how you will select the 5 products. I mean the Diafis, Nourisher, D3, Cubinos, and the Nature's Gift. Select them all, add them to the cart. Now select Nature's Gift also. You can select any of the products anyway, but in this case we want to choose the first 5 products. And when I do that, we'll be needing just 21,000 to activate this account, which is a partner package. As you can see, now we have 21,000 here. As you can see, we have 21,000 here, and we also have number of BV for this registration is 51.25. Then what should you do? Then next you click on the next button. This is the next button. After you might have selected all the 5 products, and you then have to click on the next button. In this case, just like I have told you, I forgot to tell you in the beginning, this account is a demo account. It does not have any cash within on it, but let's assume that I have funded it. In case if you don't know how to fund your account, search for how to fund static account one of in some videos on this channel you will see it. Now what you need to do for it, let's assume that the account is funded. Now what you just have to do is to click on purchase. Click on purchase. You just have to click on purchase, and if after clicking on the purchase, automatically you will have activated a partner package. And that is how to activate a package. You can activate either the partner package and every other packages if you have the money. I believe you have gotten value from this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment box. Thank you.